Everyone, welcome to the website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the fastest crowdloan in the history, the Pendulum crowdloan. They finish probably in 1 minute. And so I prepared some thoughts, but I didn't expect this is so fast that I don't have time to contribute. So actually, I just tried to make the first contribution. Maybe I get maybe 20 thoughts contributed, but I actually prepared more than that. If I know it's that fast, I probably should first contribute all of my thoughts first and then make the video to share my experience. But anyhow, those of you, if you watch my video, you probably already missed the crowdloan. And this one, from the Parachain website, you can see that there's only 51 contributors, so very lucky if you get in, only 51. And then this one, overall, I will quickly go over that. This is how it looks like in maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, I don't know. I plan to go over the tokenomics at the beginning, but I realize maybe it's not that helpful now. Still, I will post a link. And so the rewards overall, they have 50% for the community, and from this 50%, there's 6% for this crowdloan and 10% for the future crowdloan. So this crowdloan overall would be 3% of the whole of all the tokens. And so this is just some other backers and the vesting schedule. You can check for the crowdloan. The vesting is 22 months, so 2 years. And some of you may get some actual rewards. So if you sign up the wait list, if you use a code to participate, it's not that helpful now because it's already done. So I don't know how many of you can make it even within this 100,000 dot contribution. I guess most of you cannot even contribute. And so I will just quickly show you what I did. Yes, that's it. That's how fast it is. The fastest crowdloan in the history in Polkadot. Pendulum. Congratulations to all of you if you get in. And I feel sad and sorry for those of you who snap over, maybe miss that. Anyhow, happy weekend. See you next time. Bye bye.